hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new watching this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.4 thousand of you, which is absolutely insane. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. But I thought I would kick off September's videos with a bang, and we're going to be opening the Lush kitchen box for September. I cannot believe we are in September already. I can't believe I think I've had 4 or 5 of these already, but here we are. I'm gonna unbox it. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's dive in because I'm so excited. I cannot contain my excitement into unboxing this box. Let's go. So as always, I've taken off the spoilers because I don't like to ruin it for myself. I'm going in completely blind. I've not seen any spoilers at all. So impressed with myself. I really do try not to kind of see any spoilers whatsoever because I don't know, I like to give you guys my fresh, true reactions. You know what I mean? So, digging into the box. Okay, I'm so excited. I've just seen something and I'm so excited. Okay, the first item is a candle. Now, I know for a fact Lush released candles a few years ago. They were unfortunately recalled because I believe somebody's caught fire or something like that. They used to be wrapped in bamboo, so obviously it is quite a fire hazard wrapping it in wood, if you know what I mean. But this one is in a beautiful glass kind of jar, I guess. It's kind of a frosted glass. It's beautiful by the colour of it. I imagine I know what the scent is. This one is Sleepy scented. Now, if you guys don't know, Sleepy is one of my favourite smells, so I need to smell this because I just cannot wait any longer. Oh, do you know what? That doesn't actually smell like Sleepy. It's like a mix of a French kiss and then like soap. It's good though. Unless it's just touched something else, but it doesn't smell exactly like Twilight, if you know what I mean. But this one, again, if you've not tried Sleepy before, it's a vanilla ylang ylang kind of lavendery fragrance. It's absolutely stunning, but I'm not gonna lie, this does not smell exactly the same. It still smells really good. Oh, I'm impressed with that. Beautiful. Maybe this is a hint they're gonna release candles, I don't know, but that just smells amazing. Next up, moving on to a tub. This is, ooh, okay, this is the Pineapple Face and Body Wash, and this one says it's a gentle freshening wash packed with enzymic pineapple to clear the skin, whilst oils of almond and apricot and jojoba oil effectively soften the skin. Wow, okay. I'm so excited to smell this. I know that they put pineapple in the Kalamazoo, I believe, so I imagine it's going to be very similar to that. Ingredients wise, I have kind of touched on it, but this has almond oil, jojoba oil, fresh pineapple juice, capucci butter, lemon oil, cuba oil, styrax oil, whatever that is, I have no idea, apricot kernel oil, and then other things that I can't pronounce. Let's dive in and have a smell. I'm so excited. Okay, this looks like Kalamazoo, so doesn't smell like Kalamazoo though. Wow, okay. It smells kind of like sun cream, but not. It feels very similar to Kalamazoo. I'm just going to put a tiny bit on my hand just to get like an idea of the texture. But it has a very Kalamazoo type feel. That's kind of what it looks like. Very, very moisturising, I can tell already. Oh. Okay, once you put that on the skin, that smells incredibly pineapple-y. That smells absolutely amazing. What does that smell like, apart from pineapple? It smells like a pineapple gel pen, but in a good way. Did you ever have gel pens? That smells really good though. I'm so excited to give that a try. Again, follow me on Instagram to see my reviews on things, but that smells incredible. So, love that. So, the next item is a bath bomb. This is absolutely stunning. Look at that. This is the Summer Blues Bath Bomb, and it has Rose Absolute, Orange Flower Absolute, Lemongrass Oil, Jasmine Absolute, Dried Blue Mallow Flowers, Dried Blue Larkspur, whatever that is, Blue Cornflowers, and that's basically it. Let's give it a smell. I'm so excited. Oh, okay. That is a very, very fresh smell. Very floral, obviously, but it's not like a sickly floral smell. That just smells, I'm going to say it smells like a spa, but it does. Very like mature, very calming. That is absolutely stunning. I love the look of that, and that's just, oh, that's so good. Wow. Yeah, love it. Hopefully they'll bring this out all year round, but that smells incredible. And I love the dried flowers in it. It's going to make your bath look incredibly beautiful, I can imagine. Oh, so good. Okay, yeah, 10 out of 10. Absolutely love that so much. Next up, moving on, we have... Ooh, okay, this one has a really nice gold lid. Let's go with this one. This is the Happy Skin Kitchen Exclusive Facial Exfoliator. This one says, enzymic, vitamin rich and full of ground tagua nut. This exfoliator will help gently clear and brighten your skin. Okay, that sounds amazing. And ingredients wise, I'm just going to read a few. It has saffron infusion, bamboo extract, tagua nut powder, I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It also has argan oil, olive oil, rosehip oil, jackfruit juice, pineapple juice, vanilla, tonka, sesame seed absolute and shea butter. That sounds absolutely amazing. Let's give it a smell. Okay, this is what it looks like. Wow. That is exactly what I thought the other one was going to look like, I'm not going to lie. A very pineapple-y yellow. Okay, I'm going to be real. Scent-wise, I'm going to be honest. Not my vibe. Did you ever make homemade Play-Doh when you were younger? Because that is what this smells like. Homemade Play-Doh, like flour. It smells like flour. I don't like the smell of that, I'm not going to lie, but I am still going to use it and I'm still going to really enjoy it, I hope. I imagine, let me have a little feel of the exfoliant in there, because I imagine it's a very fine exfoliant, but let's give it a go. So it looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see, I don't want to put too much on, but yeah, that's a very fine exfoliant. It's almost like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's finer than sugar, it's a very fine scrub. But the smell, oh no, 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 the smell is not for me, but did make my skin soft though. No, don't like the smell, still going to use it, and again, reviews will come on my Instagram. Next up we have, okay, I have not seen this bath bomb since I started working for Lush. Wow, this brings back memories. This is the ever so famous, an oldie but a goodie, the Granny Takes a Dip bath bomb. This bath bomb was out when I worked there. It got discontinued when I worked there, and this was an absolute favourite of mine. I really, really love the way this looked. Scent wise, it's very strong, very overpowering. It smells peppery almost. I can't remember what's in it, but I will have a look on the ingredients sheet. So this is lemon oil, black pepper oil, gardenia extract, cream of tartar, ginger oil, and I'm pretty sure that's basically it. Yeah. So it's very peppery, very strong in scent. If you don't like strong, overpowering scents, you will not like this one. It's definitely a Marmite bath bomb, you know, like it's, I don't know, like the other bath bomb, complete opposite to this one. It's almost a little bit overpowering for me. I haven't smelled this in a long time, but it does smell really, really good. And in the water, as you can imagine, it's absolutely stunning. Looks like a rainbow. I love it. But yeah, that is good. I'm not going to lie. I actually really like the smell of that. It's just a little bit strong. So if you've got a cold, that's a brilliant one to go for. And lastly, there is one more thing in this box, which I'm really surprised about because there was only 5 items in every other box. And I thought with a candle, there might be 4, but there's actually 6. So great, great value for money, this box. Really excited about that. But the last item in the box is, okay, this is the Avo No Wash body lotion. This is going to smell like avocado co-wash, I can already tell. This one says, avocado blends with bergamot and olibanum for an alluring body lotion to leave you feeling fruity. Love that. And ingredients wise, it has quite a few and they're quite small, and I don't have my glasses on, so let's have a read. This is almond oil, rosemary infusion, lavender flower infusion, nettle infusion, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, avocado butter, bergamot oil. The list goes on and on, but I need to smell this because if it smells like avocado co-wash, I might actually have a moment to myself. It looks like avocado co-wash. It smells like avocado co-wash. Now, not everybody likes avocado co-wash. I absolutely love it. My friend Kelsey thinks it smells gross, but I just need to put some on my hand so I can smell it, because honestly, oh yeah, oh so good. It smells like limes, like lime fruit pastels, kind of really limey, but it's not like Lime Bounty, it's a very different smell. It is quite an oily textured lotion, not gonna lie. So if you don't like that oily residue, you probably won't like it. Definitely one that I'll use after a shower or a bath, but oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. This box has just been amazing. So I'm very impressed. So that is everything for this month's box. I am overly impressed this month. I think the quantity of stuff, amazing. The range of stuff, incredible. We've got a facial exfoliator, a facial kind of wash, a lotion, a candle, 2 bath bombs. I think it's been an amazing box, and I would have to say my 2 favourites. It's hard to say. I absolutely love the candle, I'm not gonna lie. I really love this body lotion, and I think this bath bomb is amazing. So I would have to say those 3 out of the 6 as my favourite, but I think all of them are incredible products, and I'm so impressed with this month's box. It's just, this is amazing. Don't forget to let me know down below if you've subscribed to the Lush Kitchen, or if you haven't, let me know out of these products which one would be your favourite, because I'd love to know, and I will reply to every single comment down in the comment section. So leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this box. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm so excited. I love it. If you haven't already, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I upload videos twice a week, a lot of Lush content on this channel, and then a few bits in between. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.